Are you going in a big circle? Oh, you're stuck. What is this, David? What is this? What is this?
Log.
Log. That's right. Good boy. Can you blow me a kiss? Okay. Can you say, I love you? Can you say, I love you? Sorry. Whoa, hi. Did you come back to see me?